Try again.
Wait, what was I supposed to say?
I'm sorry for back talking and being delinquent and yeah, you are.
You know what you did wrong, so just apologize. I want to know that you know how badly you behaved today. So the apology has come from you.
I told you were going to get in trouble, and you still did it. Man,
I got a piece of pie.
Okay, come on.
So I'm supposed to say, will you please forgive me
For what?
for misbehaving and back talking?
put your hands in the prayer position.
Yeah.
Say, Mother and dear Lord, please forgive me.
Put your hands together. Come on. Come on. So all my YouTube friends can see what a good boy you are. Oh, my mare's peeing. Come on, Wade. Hurry up. All right. You don't get... I'm going to take your computer out of your room if you don't apologize for your behavior.
We're having some distractions.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3, and then that's it. And it comes out of your room. 1, 2,